question is, write the phone cost in year 1 as a fraction of the phone cost in year 3. So what's my numerator and what's my denominator? What comes after the word fraction of is year 3. So year 3 is going to be my denominator, and what I'm calculating is the phone cost in year 1 as a fraction of year 3. So that's my numerator, that's my denominator. So numerator is year 1, denominator is year 3. And that would be 1000 over 1400. Now to simplify this, let's come over and let's look at prime factors again. So 1000, again I'm only doing this because this is they're big numbers, so this method obviously leans itself better to the big numbers. It's quicker to solve as well. I mean, you can sit there and write all the factors of these two, but I feel that will be longer. So here, so we have to break this up into two numbers, 10 times 100. Would you agree? That will give me 1000. Now, I know they're not primes, but we can keep going and then we'll break this down into primes. This is going to equal 2 times 5, which will give me 10. 100 can be written as 10 times 10. Okay. And we know each of these is going to be 2 and 5. Sorry. 2 and 5 from here, 2 and 5. So 1000 is equal to 2 to the power of 3 times by 5 to the power of 3. So same with 1400. So that's equal to 14 times by 100. Okay, which will give me 1400. Now 14 is equal to 2 times 7. 100 is 10 times 10. And each of those is going to be 2 and 5. And for this 10 also it's going to be also 2 and 5. So therefore 1400 is equal to 2 to the power of 1, 2, 3. Yes. Let me just, yes, so that's 2 to the power of 3, 5 to the power of 2, and the 7. Okay. So, if that's both numbers as a product of prime factors, then let's look at the highest common factor. So the highest common factor will be the primes in both. So we see 2, and it's both, in both cases is 2 cubed. So there's no difference, no choice to be made because the powers are the same. 5, okay, there has to be a choice here. Which power I'm going to pick? 5 squared or 5 cubed? So if it's highest common factor, you pick the lower one, so it's 5 squared. And we don't include 7 because for highest common factor, we only have the numbers that are in common, so in both. Okay, so that would give me 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8, and then this is going to be 5 times 5 is 25. So if we had to work that out, what is 25 times 8? 5 times 8 is 40. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 4, 7, 8, 19, 20. This is equal to 200. So highest common factor between these two are 200, so I'll divide top and bottom by 200. And we also can see from the primes, if you took out 2 cubed and 5 squared, you're left with just a 5 here. Okay, if you took out 2 cubed and 5 squared, we're left with just a 7 here. So you can just see straight away it's going to give me, simplify even if not asked, is 5/7. Okay, so next,